Let's make a delicious homemade bread together. Let's make the preliminary yeast. Let's make a well in the middle of 1 cup of flour, 1 pack of fresh yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of water, and let's mix. Let's cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, seven cups of flour, let's make a well in the middle of the flour. 2.5 cups of water. And let's mix it with spatula. Let's add the preliminary yeast. And let's mix it with spatula. Let's start kneading the dough. Let's fold it as in the video. First fold. Let's cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. "30 minutes later, let's sprinkle flour on the table. Let's put the dough on the table. One teaspoon salt. Let's fold the dough for the second time. Let's cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, and let's fold the dough for the third time. Let's make a big dough ball like in the video. Let's divide the dough into two. Let's fold each dough as in the video. And let's put it on a tray lined with baking paper. Let's give the other dough a similar shape. Let's put the second bread dough on the tray. Sprinkle flour on them. Let's shape the dough by cutting the tops. Let's cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. Let's cook in a preheated oven at 200 degrees 390 Fahrenheit in a controlled manner. The breads look great. Let the bread rest for 10 minutes before serving. And now, testing time. Squishy. Very easy to make. Tasting time. Very tasty. Bon appetit. If you liked the recipe and the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.